Sid, you're snoring with your eyes open. You've got one eye open. What's this? What's that? What's this? How's your day? You sleeping? Why don't you shut your eyes?